I mean, this has got to be the most social paluto dito sa Pinas. Eto, you buy your steak and you buy your seafood and you get to eat it right away. Paluto concept talaga where you get your steak grilled, seafood cooked Singaporean style, then you get to dine and eat. Been wanting to try this resto kasi meron na sila here sa Alabang finally, so happy to have this branch here in the south. One World Deli is finally here and grabe yung place nila, ang presko, super maaliwalas. I don't know but it's giving me ibang bansa feels. And it seems as if ang sarap dali ng family dito. And I was definitely excited to try their steaks and shrimp. They have Braveheart here na kilala for their farm to table. Got our steak done na medium and medium is what we got. The ribeye was definitely super tender and cooked perfectly with a nice char. Textured pa siya with the crusting sa gilid. Most of it were well seasoned. Yung sa gilid lang na nilagyan nila ng salt area, may pagka-salty and I think they need to work on the gravy pa. It could be less salty pa sana and a smoother consistency. But overall, super solid. Just like any other paluto, ikaw rin magde-decide kung anong klaseng luto siya shrimp. And the server's recommendation is the Singaporean. May kasamang fried mantaw. It tastes, in fairness, very similar to what I had in Singapore. It's sweet, na may konting spice. Shrimps were plump, juicy, and cooked perfectly. And grabe, ang sarap ng fried mantaw. I say the perfect lamb chowder. It was smooth, with a good amount of seafood that gives that rich umami. Good na hint lang ng truffle yung nakuha namin from the truffle adobo. Although medyo let down lang yung parts sa ginamit ng baboy. Masyadong lean ata ang kasi. So may mga parts na medyo dry siya, pero we enjoyed the adobo rice. The pistachio puff and the New York cheesecake were both really good. There's a balance of sweet and salty this New York cheesecake and very smooth. Overall, honestly, the food was good. Vibe was perfect. Very curious pa ako i-explore yung menu nila kasi they have pizzas and Japanese food. So definitely babalik kami. Ichoy!